If you want to make money online in 2026, eBay is still one of the best platforms to get started. You can sell new or used products and even flip items for consistent income. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on eBay step by step. The first thing you need to do is create an eBay account. Go to the platform, sign up with your email, and complete your basic information. After creating your account, the next step is to set up your payments. eBay manages payments automatically, but you need to add your bank account to receive your money. Now comes one of the most important parts, choosing what to sell. You can start by selling items you no longer use, like clothes, electronics, or accessories. You can also buy products at a low price and resell them for a profit. The next step is to create your listing. Inside eBay, click on Sell. Here you need to fill in your product details. First, write a clear title using keywords people are searching for. Then add a detailed description explaining the condition, features, and benefits of the product. Upload high-quality photos, since this increases your chances of making a sale. After that, set a competitive price by checking similar listings on eBay. The next step is to set up shipping. You can choose whether you or the buyer pays for shipping, and select the most convenient option available. You should also set your return policy, like whether you accept returns and how many days the buyer has. Once everything is ready, click on List Item to publish your product. When someone buys from you, you'll receive a notification. Just pack the item, ship it, upload the tracking number, and wait to receive your payment. One important tip: keep good ratings by responding quickly, shipping on time, and being honest in your listings. This will help you sell more in the long run, and that's it. That's how you make money on eBay step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more online money tutorials.